Hello guys, we are here another day to clean our glass pipe. First of all, I will show you all the products necessary to clean it. So, we got here the zipped bag, and also we got here a little of salt, and we got our glass pipe over here, and we got these cotton swabs, and our isopropyl alcohol. So this is only the necessary. So first of all, we will introduce our pipe. Look at this, it's really bad, really bad. So I will put this in our bag, and then we will add a little of alcohol to. It's not too bad, it's not too much, so I think that's enough. You will see, it's just nothing, and that's all. We will shake it, and it only will take to you like I don't know, 5 minutes to clean it. And this is so easy to clean. And you see, this is dropping the alcohol is dropping the resin, but with the help with the salt, we will use this to clean it better. So you will see how it will start to be so easy. Look, all this dirty stuff, oh my god. This is one of the best ways to clean our glass pipes, because it's so cheap, it's so fast. And I also use this. I put these cotton swabs into the plastic bag to clean it better. You see, I will not shake it well, clean it well, and you will see this is so easy, so fast. Okay, we will see what is the final look of this. You can clean it with a little towel or little papers, but this is the easiest way to clean it, right? And then we will put this in hot water to see and okay guys, this is the result after we rinse it with hot water, our glass pipe. How you can see how clean it is, how beautiful it is. Oh my god. Oh, just you only need these three ingredients and a bag. Remember that. Only that. Thank you for watching us. This is Brian Mantilla channel, and thank you for subscribe and like it. Thank you. Bye bye.